MS Access Queries, Forms, and Reports. MS Access Queries, Forms, and Reports. What you will learn. Query extracts specific records from a table that meet given conditions. Form, a graphical interface to add, modify, or delete records in a table. Report presents data in a structured and printable format. MS Access Queries. What is a query? A query filters data in a table to display only the records that satisfy certain criteria. Example: display names of all students who have passed. Steps to create a query. 1. Open a database, click on Create tab. 2. Click Query Design in the Other group. 3. In the Show Table box, select the required table, e.g., Employee, click Add, then Close. 4. The table appears in the query window. Parts of the query window. The query window has two panes. Top pane displays selected tables. Bottom pane, design grid used to add fields and set conditions. Row function. Field displays selected fields from the table. Table shows the name of the table. Sort sets data order ascending or descending. Show controls which fields are visible in the result. Criteria defines the condition for filtering. Or used for multiple criteria. Using a query. Example: display records of students were age 13. Steps: 1. Select required fields in the field row. 2. Choose sorting order. 3. In criteria row under age column, type 13. 4. Click Run in the results group on the ribbon to view results. Multiple criteria. Times and condition, both conditions must be true, entered on the same line. Times or condition, either condition can be true, use criteria and or rows. MS Access Forms. What is a form? A form provides an easy way to enter, view, and edit data, showing all fields together without scrolling through datasheets. Data entered in a form is automatically stored in the linked table. Steps to create a form. 1. Select the required table. 2. Click on Create tab Form in the Forms group. 3. A form is created displaying all table fields. 4. Use the navigation bar to move between records. Types of form views. View, description. Form view used to type or edit data. Layout view used to modify the format design. Design view used to change the structure of the form. Tip: to switch views, click View on the Design tab of the ribbon. MS Access Reports. What is a report? A report is a database object that presents data in a printable format. It is usually based on one or more tables or queries. Steps to create a report. 1. Select the table or query for the report. 2. Click Create tab Report.